Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP, just with another job we got in the workshop today. This particular VW Caddy, it's a 2013 model with the 1.6 CAYD 4-cylinder engine in it, turbo diesel, coming on with warning lights come on. Once we've scanned the vehicle and retrieved the fault codes, one particular one that was reoccurring was the P246E, exhaust gas temperature sensor, bank 1 sensor 4. So again, a number of different temperature sensors or exhaust gas analysis O2 sensors on these particular vehicles. So it's important to work out which one it is that's actually faulty. And again, the easiest way to do it is to unplug a couple, see what fault code comes up, in particular which sensor is which sensor. So if you just unplug one, rescan it, it will obviously log another code and tell you which sensor you just disconnected. So it's a quick little tip to be able to make sure you are replacing the faulty sensor and not one of the good ones that may be in the vehicle. So in this particular case, we were able to confirm that it was bank 1 sensor 4. We've tested it, it was faulty, and we've put in a new O2 sensor into the exhaust on this particular vehicle and cleared the codes. There's some conjecture out in the industry whether we should do all 4 of them. It's like doing one spark plug and not doing the others, etc. So again, maybe consider that to your customer that one's failed. Potentially you might have to look at the other ones as well, or they may be on their way out. So just keep that in mind. Obviously, if you are a TAP member, there's a repair solution on our website in regards to this particular fault on this particular vehicle. So don't forget to go and consult the TAP website whenever you have those sort of quirky problems, or even if you just want to make sure that there aren't any other common issues with that vehicle when it's in your workshop. So don't forget to be able to log into that website and get used to it. If you're not a member and you'd like to get access to it, go to tap.net.au and click up on the Join Up Now button. See you next time.